The next thing that we want to do is start customizing our store's header. If I scroll up on the left-hand side, I can see my header area here. I have two sections within it. I have my announcement bar and I have my header itself. For the announcement bar, you can customize the text by clicking on it here. I don't think I'm going to use an announcement bar on this store though, so I'll just remove it by clicking the trash can icon here. The first thing I want to do is add in my store's logo. If you see right here, it just says My Store. This is where our logo should be. To do that, click on the gear icon here to enter your theme settings, and then click on Logo, and then click on Select. I'll go ahead and drag and drop my logo here and wait for that to upload. Once it's done, I'll click on Done here. And my logo is actually a white color, so you're not going to see it properly appear here. To fix this, let's click into our header and let's change the color scheme from scheme 1 to scheme 4. And now you'll see my logo properly appear here. One small thing I want to change is my logo's position. I'll change it from middle left to middle center on the left-hand side. We'll see that change reflect here, and you can see that my menu is now appearing on the left-hand side. I think this is a little bit easier for our customers to interact with, and I think this looks just a lot cleaner.